And we have some more breaking updates coming in at this point in time. Top ACB sources confirmed to Times Now that Arvind Kejriwal's Operation Lotus claims are under investigation. Authorities are saying that, are talking about the seriousness of the charges, indicating a detailed probe is absolutely necessary to verify whether a bribe was indeed offered and by whom really the bribe was offered. Let's go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who continues to be live with us at this point in time. Priyank, like we were discussing earlier also, and here ACB sources have also confirmed to Times Now that, looking at the nature of the charges, it is important to have a thorough, detailed investigation. The question is, Aam Aadmi Party, that leveled the allegations in the first place, should really welcome this probe, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The Aam Aadmi Party was the party which raised this issue. It's a matter which is of a grave concern. It is certainly questioning the Indian system of the electoral politics, the manner in which the country has seen this high-profile election happening. 61% of people have casted their vote. When this particular process is being questioned, certainly the LG took cognizance of this particular issue, and the complaint was given to the LG's office, and ACB has started probing. So the questions are certainly being raised that if Aam Aadmi Party itself wanted to bring out the truth, why are they stopping and holding these ACB officials to enter inside the premises? We know that Sanjay Singh himself has gone, but looking at the visuals, Hina, we can clearly see that the ACP of the Anti-Corruption Bureau is still inside this particular small camp office, and he's having a dialogue. Exclusive visuals only for the viewers of Times Now, where you can see that the battery of lawyers from the Aam Aadmi Party have been countering the ACB team for their jurisdiction issue. They have also been saying that why is it possible that how come you have reached here without any kind of proper summon? Just a short while back, we saw that a few of the officers, there's some movement here, so we'll keep on the visuals.
Yes, we will continue to be live with the visuals, Priyank, that you're bringing to us, even as we also get for our viewers some reactions, and we stay live with the visuals that Priyank Tripathi is bringing to us, exclusive visuals of the ACB officials who are camping right now outside the Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Listen into these reactions coming in from Sanjay Singh and Manish Sisodia of the Aam Aadmi Party.
ठीक है, जाने दीजिए. हमारे एक मंत्री ने तो नंबर भी जारी किया, जांच करें, एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो या जो भी ब्यूरो है इनका. कल के जो काउंटिंग है उसमें कैसे सचेत और सजग रहना है सबको, उसके बारे में बातचीत होगी.
गाली गलौज पार्टी पैसे के दम पे, गुंडागिरी के दम पे चुनाव लड़ने की कोशिश करती रही, हम सब जानते हैं. और आज भी गाली गलौज पार्टी जिस तरह की हरकत कर रही है, आपसे भी छिपा नहीं है किस तरह की हरकत कर रहे हैं. ये तो अब कल के बाद उनका सारा खत्म हो जाएगा.
Let's now go across to my colleague Shivam, who continues to be live with us as well. Shivam is reporting live from outside the ACB's office. Shivam, over to you. Bring us up to speed with the latest that you have from the ACB officials, because what the lawyer of Arvind Kejriwal said was also very important. He said that the ACB officials who've reached Kejriwal's residence do not have any kind of authorization letter, any documents, any papers that are required, to question Arvind Kejriwal. What's happening?
Well, till yesterday, what was seen as a political battle of allegations of poaching has now turned into almost a legal battle, as we are currently reporting from the ACB office, where Sanjay Singh, the member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, has gone inside to file a complaint. Now, interesting that you mentioned what Arvind Kejriwal lawyer has said, that the ACB who has reached the Kejriwal residence does not have the proper, orders. But it would be interesting to see whether Sanjay Singh would also put this same thing here as well in front of the officials as well. What we have got to know from the sources is that yes, Sanjay Singh is here to file a complaint regarding the same issue of the poaching of MLAs. One interesting thing that came out of the entire observation was the number of MLAs quoted by both Aam Aadmi Party's convener Kejriwal and the member of parliament Sanjay Singh were different. While he was saying there were 16 MLAs who were poached, he has quoted a different term, and these are certain issues which will be on the table when the ACB officials is going to question, when Sanjay Singh is going to respond inside the office, because you cannot just give the numbers there. Now, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, their definition of proof is the numbers that they have given to on Twitter. But when it comes to the ACB, they will have to get the name of the MLAs who were called, to whom they were called, to whom they were being called.
Shivam, request you to stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming.